One day, Nasruddin ran into a man from another town that he had not seen before and began a conversation with him. They talked about the weather, the harvest, and the markets, but before long the man began to confide in Mullah Nasruddin. He stated that he was a merchant in his hometown, but now he was a traveler in search of something. The man lamented, "I am rich, but I am also sad and miserable. I have taken my money and gone traveling in search of joy, but alas, I have yet to find it." As the man continued speaking, Nasruddin continued to listen. Suddenly, Nasruddin grabbed the man's bag with his belonging and money in it and ran off with it. The man was startled, and with a look of great alarm chased after him. But Nasruddin had a head start, and he soon ran out of the man's sight. He ran down the road, and after a while he stopped. Looking to see if the man had caught up, and seeing that he had not yet, Nasruddin put the bag in the middle of the road for the merchant to see. He then ran and hid behind a tree. When the man caught up to where Nasruddin had been, he found the bag, and his facial expression immediately turned from distress to joy. As the man danced in celebration of finding his bag, Nasruddin thought to himself, joy was right there all along for him to find.